Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a flicker effect by using text feature on Capcut. So here I've already added a clip and I'm going to just go to text and you can just add any text that you want. I'm going to add T here. Change the text into black and then lower the opacity if you want. And then resize the text until it covers all of the clips like this, and go to animation, loop, then find the flash. Okay, this one, and then just adjust the effect into fast like this, and now just click on the check icon, then you'll have that flicker effect that you want. If you want to make it more natural, you can just go to style again and then lower the opacity, and you can just adjust it to how much you want the flicker to have in your video. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.